has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hamilton County and central Texas, north central Carrillo County and central Texas, Wasky County and central Texas, until 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time and 3:42 a.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Iredell to Twin Falls Gap, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles if possible. Severe thunderstorms will be near Meridian and Meridian State Park around 3:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. Clifton around 3:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lake Whitney around 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Lavinia Park around 4:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pancake, Walnut Springs, Seattle, Beulah, Copperhill, Brazos Point, Cedar Shores, Hearst Springs, Womack, and Lakewood Harbor. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.